Oh, you got a new doorbell.
Hey, Dominic, can you hear me?
Yeah, that's pretty cool. Hey, would you just
Hey, Dominic.
get the coffee, my coffee cup? What's going on, brother?
Dominic, it's Vinny. You there?
Yeah. I'm talking with Dad.
I gotta jump in the shower real quick. Let me see what I'm calling.
Well, just pop your lock so I can go get a coffee and I'll come back in about 10 minutes. Can you hear me, Vinny?
Dominic, you there?
Yeah. Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Dom, I can hear you if you talk back. Hey,
I
there
know.
he is.
I am talking back. If I'm talking back any louder, you won't need this thing. I'm right on top.
I'm at work right now. So
come
I don't
on.
know if anybody's home.
Come on. That's dumb. Come on. Talk about technology. Yeah, your father's home. That's really wild.
Sorry, I got bad service here. I can barely hear you. But
If it's not,
hey, there he is.
No, I'm here. I'm talking to Dad. Can you hear me?
I'm going in the shower.
All right. Can you hear me, Vin?
Yeah, I don't know if anybody's home, but I can
Yeah,
see you. Nice
I'm
glasses.
talking.
You don't have to go that close.
Yeah, you do. I did.
You don't.
I'm talking with your dad.
All right, I'll see you later, Dom. Shamu.
Shamu.
You don't have to go.
Yeah, you did. I was back here. You couldn't hear me. He goes, "Are you there? Are you there? Are you there?" He said,
There's Dad.
You know, short pants.
"What's that, Vinny?" So he can't hear me.
He can hear you.
That's really cool.
All right, well, I can't hear you. I'm going to go. Bye.
What do you mean you can't hear me?